screen is Windows. This is the place you come to when you start Windows, and it's the place you go to get to all the applications that you guys are going to build that people are going to love. All the applications that I have on here today are just samples that we've written to showcase the platform, not announcing any new utilities or any new features in Windows. They're simply written to show off what the platform is capable of doing. And let's look at what these tiles are all about. Each one of these tiles represents an application. I have a tile for my Windows Live Mail up here telling me that Matt Berg has just sent me a message. I have my calendar. I have my news reader on my current feed. I have paused music. As I scroll down, you see the other applications. Some of them probably look familiar to you. Task Manager. Too much practicing. Task Manager, Notepad, the pinned people and people that I want to interact with. I have a bunch of games. And everything that is on here is personal to me, and it's only the things that I want on my screen.
The next application I want to show is Photos. Photos is a great example of an application that's really designed to be cloud-powered. I take lots and lots of pictures, and probably all of us have tens of thousands of photos because of digital cameras. Some of them are even worth sharing with other people. And they're stored across the different devices that I have. So I have 10,000 photos on my home PC, and I've got photos here.
Mike's got a hard drive for you.
I've been looking for that 3 terabyte hard drive. So here, for me, I've got now a Photos app that keeps track of all of my photos in one place. I didn't have to tell this application my Live ID because I'm already logged into Windows. It also is connected to Facebook and Flickr because I've told Live about Facebook and Flickr, and now the Photos app knows about those things. So right in this experience, I can actually just click in and start browsing through photos. And notice, this is again written in HTML and JavaScript like Antoine showed.
And all these animations, this stuff, all built into the WinRT platform.
Using those common controls and platforms. And you can see what kind of a rich experience you can build right from here. So if I want to go look at my Facebook photos, there's some mobile uploads. And notice that these are pictures that I've taken and uploaded to Facebook. And you can see that I had a nice picture from the Build conference. I took that this morning. I didn't have to put that on this PC. It's on Facebook because it's connected to Live. It just came down automatically nice in time for my demo.
What you saw was fast and fluid. So when we set out to design Windows 8, the whole idea was you should be able to move through things really quickly, touch-centric, keyboard and mouse if that's what you want. It's got to be responsive, alive, and beautiful. I mean, just from the minute you sign on and you see that start screen, you saw everything's moving, everything's animated, tiles are live. You can control all that as a developer, and you can control all that as an end user of the system. This platform is, the best way to say it is, it's extremely rich, and it's extremely riddled with feedback from you over how these different parts don't exactly always work together. We've got the C# and VB world built on top of .NET and Silverlight. We've got the C and the C++ world built in the strong Win32 API. And then we built the silo of HTML, JavaScript on top of Internet Explorer. And I think I've gotten a few pieces of mail and a few tweets and a few other things about how these things don't always all work so well together. So what I want to show you is the bold move we made to reimagine the Windows 8 platform. So the Windows 8 platform for Metro-style applications lets you pick the language that you want to use to build your applications. It connects not just to Windows Live, but to all of the services that you want to connect to through Windows Live. You can sync your settings across all your PCs and devices and your phone as well. You've got SkyDrive, not just for photos or just for uploading documents through a browser, but you can access now your own PCs, all of your devices, through the browser or through the Metro-style apps. And, as you'll learn this week, and they're alive in the build, live APIs for SkyDrive, so you could build your own cloud-connected Metro-style apps that use storage.